you finally face this issue saying storage almost full on your Mac. So this issue is most commonly faced by the users who have older Macs or have a MacBook version which has a less storage. But you are currently finding some videos that will help you potentially fix this issues. But on YouTube, currently there are not that much videos that will help you to fix this issue. But you have clicked the right video. In this video, I would help you to fix this issue by uninstalling or deleting the apps permanently from your Mac and giving a last chance to your Mac before upgrading it. So conventionally, we all used to delete apps on Mac, like just simply deleting an app from the applications folder and then just deleting or emptying the bin. But in the Macs, it is not the case. By doing this, you are not deleting all the files of your application. There are still some files stored on your Mac, and that is taking up the space. So, unlike Windows, whenever we delete application, all of our files are deleted. This is because Windows uses a centralized registry method. This means basically connects all the files, and whenever we delete, all the files are deleted. But in Mac OS, a program is stored in a single package, leaving behind the configuration files like cache files, preferences, and the application support files. These files are still there in our system, and this is done in Mac because means whenever in future if you reinstall the software, all your things or the previous passwords, whatever things that we have done, would be restored. So like in this case, I have recently deleted Chrome browser. As you can see, in applications we don't have the Chrome browser at all, right? So now we will just navigate to the folders that I am specifying. So there are basically 3 folders in the library which have these all hidden files. The first one is cache, then is preferences, then is application support. To navigate to these folders, we will press Command Shift G and type library this and hit enter. Then over here we'll go to the caches folder, which is the first folder, and then we will simply search Chrome in caches folder. As here you can see there are a lot of files of Chrome browser, and even if I have deleted the app, still it is there. And if we see the properties of it, as you can see, it is almost 1.76 GB, which is a lot if you consider storage wise, or you are facing the issue. And there are various files like this. So this is the caches folder. So to fix, we could just simply delete this folders, like from here, move to bin, and then delete them from the bin. Means do this from caches folder, then go to the preferences folder, yes, preferences folder, same, search for the Chrome and delete the files named Chrome, and same for the application support also. But doing this all is an hectic process, as you can see, and it is not that efficient, right? To manually delete and search all the files, it is not that efficient. So do this quickly. If we want to do this quickly, we would use a application called AppCleaner, which is a free application available. You could just simply visit this link. I have given the link in the description. Just go to this link and download the version according to your Mac. So whichever version of Mac you have, so download according to it, and then just simply install it, and then click open on this app, and it simply says drop your apps here. We will just simply drag the app we want to delete. So in this case, we will take an example. Suppose I want to delete the Kindle Create application. I would just simply drag and drop it to this application. So as you can see, it has searched all the files founded on my system. Like this are the main app that would be potentially deleted. Only this app would be deleted if I would have been done. And it has also founded all the files that were stored in this library, applications, and all the files. So this app is originally a small app, so it doesn't take that much space. If we just hit remove and add our password and hit enter, it will just delete the application permanently. And currently we have no files of that application. If you want to check, you could just simply go to that same, check the files. There would be no files for the Kindle Create app, unlike the Chrome application still has apps. So in this I hope this video potentially help you free up your space in your Mac, and instead of the conventional process. If this helped, let me know in the comments if this helped you. And if you guys have any suggestions for the next video, please let me know.